Are you tired of watching video after video, hoping to finally find a real way to make money online? Well, stop scrolling, because this is the one you've been waiting for. In this video, I'm breaking down the best and easiest ways you can start earning dollars from the internet, even if you're a complete beginner in 2025. No crazy skills, no expensive courses, just real methods that actually work. So grab a drink, turn up the volume, and stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to walk away with tools you can use today to start making money online. 1. Freelancing, using platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Freelancing is still one of the best ways to make money online. If you've got a skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, coding, there's someone out there willing to pay you for it. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you create a profile, list your services, and get hired by clients from around the world. And the best part? You don't need a degree, just a solid portfolio and good communication skills. 2. Selling digital products. In 2025, digital products are blowing up. Think ebooks, digital planners, templates, stock photos, or even online courses. You create it once and sell it over and over again. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip make it super easy to get started. You don't need inventory, shipping, or big investment, just creativity and a niche audience. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending products and getting paid when someone buys through your link. If you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or even just a TikTok account, you can make passive income. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or Impact give you special links. And when someone buys through that link, you are a commission. It's a win-win. 4. Print-on-demand business. This is perfect if you're creative but don't want to handle inventory. With print-on-demand platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble, you can design t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or even phone cases. When someone orders, the company prints it and ships it for you. You just focus on marketing and collecting your profits. 5. Remote customer service jobs. Big companies are hiring remote customer service reps more than ever. If you've got good people skills and a stable internet connection, you can work from home full-time or part-time. Sites like Indeed, Remote.co, or We Work Remotely list tons of jobs you can apply for, even without previous experience. 6. Becoming a content creator, YouTube or TikTok. Content creation is huge right now. Whether it's entertainment, tutorials, product reviews, or storytelling, there's a space for you. On YouTube, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. On TikTok, you've got brand deals, creator funds, and more. If you're consistent and authentic, you can build a following and your income. 7. Using AI tools to offer services. AI is changing the game in 2025. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, Pictory, or Copy.ai to offer services like writing content, designing posts, or making videos, even if you're not a pro. Learn how to use these tools, combine them with your own touch, and boom, you're making money offering smart, fast services. All right, so now you've got 7 real ways to start making money online in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. The truth is, there's never been a better time to take control of your income and build something for yourself right from your laptop or phone. But remember, watching videos won't make you money. Taking action will. So pick one method from this list and start today. Don't wait for the perfect time, because it's not coming. Just start. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more real content, and drop a comment below telling me which method you're going to try first. I read every single one. And if you want a deeper guide on any of these methods, let me know. I got you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.